My highest grade in PPST, it was under Domain 1, Content, Knowledge, and Pedagogy, Strand 1.4.2. Used a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skills. Hindi po siya pareha. Sometimes, my highest grade I get also in Domain 1, 1.1.2, Applied Knowledge of Content within and across curriculum teaching areas. Depende po kasi sa indicator. Meron kasi indicator siya ngayong taon, sa sunod na taon, hindi na siya, or sa sunod na observation, hindi na siya kasali. So, hindi siya constant. No? Sometimes it fall on Domain 1, minsan din sa Domain 2, depende po kung anong indicator ang nilalabas ng PPSD. Dito sa 1.1.2, Applied Knowledge and of Content within and across curriculum teaching areas. For example, ang lesson mo ay science, nagtuturo ka ng science, din ang lesson mo ay reforestation, no? You can connect reforestation to edukasyon sa pagpapakatao sa pamamagitan ng pagtatanong mo sa mga bata kung ano ang kahalagahan ng pagtatanim ng puno sa ating kapaligiran. Ano ba ang naitutulong nito, no, para maging ligtas ang tao. You can also connect the lesson to mathematics. For example, nagtanim ka ng 100 puno sa isang araw. Kung nagtanim ka sa loob ng 10 araw, ilang puno ang naitanim mo lahat? You can connect also the lesson to MAPE. For example, ang lesson sa MAPE ay health. And then, ano yun? Yung about paano ka makalanghap ng sariwang hangin. So, ang sasagot na ng bata is, nandoon ka sa mga lugar na kung saan maraming puno ang nakapaligid sa iyo. So, nag-connect na po yung lesson doon, yung sinasabing across and within subject areas. Another example doon sa ano pa nga ang ibang ano natin, ibang lesson natin. Binanggit ko na ang ESP and science, ang MAPE. Binanggit ko na rin yung babanggitin ko na rin yung pwede mo siyang i-connect sa Araling Panlipunan. Paano mo i-connect ang reforestation sa Araling Panlipunan? Lalabas doon yung batas sa pananalaga sa likas na yaman. Anong parusa ba ang maaaring ibigay or anong maaaring punishment doon sa mga taong nagkaroon ng illegal logging or yung pinuputol yung punong kahoy, no? Or pwede mo siyang i-connect sa ano ang maaaring gawin ng DENR sa mga taong gumagawa ng pagpuputol ng puno o illegal logging. So, yun yung across and within mga subject areas. My lowest grade in PPST is under Domain 1 also. This is yearly 1.3.2. Ensure the positive use of ICT to facilitate the teaching and learning process. As a present 20th century teacher, it is very important that teacher also know how to integrate the ICT in her lesson. But for me, I was not born in the latest. I was born in early 80s. So what can I say is that I'm the teacher who is not fully legit to use the ICT. So this is my yearly lowest grade, and also it is very important also that during class observation there is participation of my students in using the ICT. For example, in the drill and review, we use the students, no? It's one way to participate the learners their task during drill and review. So they are assigned by the teacher to do the drill and review, so with the use of ICT. So there are also students who are very good in other aspects of ICT, but using into integration of the lesson, wala naman po silang ng kaalam-alam doon. So magaling lang sila sa mga laro, magaling lang sila sa mga kung ano nang ginagawa nila, pero sa integration of the lesson, kasi nire-require yung bata na mag-operate din ng PowerPoint or siya mismo ang mag-present during the drill and the review. So kasama ko din, ang teacher din, So meron kasi mga teachers na mga talagang high-tech sila. So they can use games using computers. No? Pero ako hindi masyadong inaano yun. Makapag-present lang ako sa PowerPoint, okay na sa akin yun. Kapag-present ako ng videos during my lesson, okay na sa akin yun. Pero ang ibang teachers kasi, mas malalim po yung alam nila sa ICT, kaya nagagamit po nila yun during observation talaga. PPST has a great impact to me as a teacher because it determines my strength and weaknesses during my teaching. It also reminds me my religious work as a teacher because at the end of the year you are graded by your mentor, so you strive more to get high grades, not by having no grade of satisfactory. So the very lowest grade today ay very satisfactory to outstanding. So as a teacher, I strive more. We're going to strive more because you are graded, and the promotion lies on the PPST because this is part of the COI and the NCOI. COI means classroom observable indicators, and you also present the NCOI, which is the non-observable indicators. So you will explain, no, during interview how do you assess